1965 Mustang Coupe, 289 C code. Go ahead and rev it again. Okay, turn it off. Turn it off. Go ahead and shut it off. .289 C code, V8, Southern California, 2-car owner, built in San Jose, sold in Los Angeles when new. Garage most of its life. Never wrecked. All original sheet metal, all original floor pans. No bondo, no rust. No rust repairs.
Look at the line on the door.
First repaint since the car was new. Original color, Wimbledon white. Base coat with clear coat. Done a few years ago. There's a few scratches and a few flaws in the paint that need attention. Car's been sitting for a while, so it needs everything looked at. It's got disc brakes, power steering, air conditioning, console. Engine was rebuilt recently. Edelbrock Performer with the 760 CFM, 670 CFM Holley 4-bro. Air conditioning does not work. Might be minor, might need recharged. Cowls do not leak. Gaps are perfect all the way around. Factory pony car. Original interior except for the carpet's been replaced. I've had hundreds of Mustangs. It's almost impossible to find one that's never been wrecked. Never had rust repairs done. No radio. Original windshield, perfect shape. Headliner looks decent. That's coming apart. Back seat. Seats are not too bad. Original door tag. New exhaust system, front sway bar. Some of the suspension parts are new. Bumpers were replaced when the car was painted. Backup lights were new, tail lights new, all the emblems. Original black California license plates. Front frame rails totally straight. Floor pans are perfect. Very, very light bubbling. The door corners. Like I said, no bondo anywhere on the car. This is probably the worst part of the paint right here. A little bit on the other side. If you have any questions, give me a call. 714-757-8437. Ron Miller. Thank you.